Okay children, exercise 6.3, subtract the like fractions. This exercise is just the same like exercise 6.2, only here we have to subtract. Now like fraction means the denominators are same. So write here 8 and now here we will just minus it. So what will I get here children? 4 by 8. Now 4 by 8, sorry it is 4 by 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Now here the numerator and the denominator children, if you want you can leave the answer like this, or if you want we can even reduce to simplest form. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I can also write it as half. Okay. Now the next one. Again the denominators are same. So 36 minus 15. So 36 minus 15 you will get it as 21 by 19. Now again the numerator is big and the denominator is small. So convert it into mixed fraction. That means we can divide it since here the denominator is smaller. Now 19 how many times will it go? It will go only one time. So now here it is 2. So 1, 2 by 19. So what is the answer I am getting here? I am getting here 1, 2 by 19. In this way student you will do the other sums also, and the pictures will be uploaded very soon in the parents app, and practice all the other sum. Now next exercise 6.3 number 2. Subtract the unlike fraction. Now children, unlike fraction means whose denominators are not same. Now here there is single number 9. It is not a fraction. So if I want children, I can write it like this. 9 divided by 1. I can make the denominator as 1 and then minus 2 by 3. So this is unlike fraction. That means the denominators are not same. So we will first convert it into like fractions and try to make the denominator same, and then we will minus it. Okay. Now 9 by 1 is equals to, then 2 by 3 is equals to. Now if I will try to find out the LCM of 1 and 3. Now both are prime numbers which are divisible only by itself. So what will be the LCM of this one? That is 1 into 3, that is equals to 3. So I will write down here as 3. 9 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 is 3. Again 9 into 3 is 27. 3 into 1 is 3. Here also I will multiply by 1. So it will be 2. Now since I have converted these unlike fractions into like fractions, now I will subtract it. 27 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So common denominator will be the LCM, and now here 27 minus 2, that you will get it as 27 minus 2, that you will get it as 25 by 3. Now again the numerator is big and the denominator is small, so I can divide it. So 3 8s are 24. So 1 by 3. So children, the answer is 8 1 by 3. So in all the sums the procedure is just the same. You first convert this unlike fraction into like fraction by taking out the LCM, and then once this is converted into like fractions, and then you subtract this and you will get the answer. Next I will do one more sum for you, number E. Okay children, now number E, subtract the unlike fraction number E. 11 minus 8 by 5. So here there is single number 11, so I will make it a fraction by making 1 as the denominator. I will write 11 divided by 1. Now this is again unlike fraction, so I will convert it into like fraction. That means I will make the denominator same. Take out the LCM of these two numbers. Now since 1 and 5 they are prime numbers, so when you will try to find out the LCM, you will get the LCM as 5 only. So 11 into 1 into 8 into 5 into 1 into 5 is equals to 5. 11 into 5 is equals to 55. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. So here also I will multiply by 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. Now children, see, this unlike fraction has been converted into like fractions. Now we will take this fraction this side and we will start subtracting. So 55 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So common denominator 5 I will write here. Then here I will write 55 minus 8. So when I will do the minus 55 minus 8, I will get here 47 by 5. Now 47 is big and the denominator is small. So I can convert this fraction into mixed fraction. 5 nines are 45. So 2 is the remainder. 2 will become the numerator and this 5 will become the denominator. So children, how will I write the answer? 9 2 by 5. Now this is the subtraction of the unlike fraction. Next we will do subtract the following mixed fraction. Now subtract the following mixed fraction is also just the same. So here also I will show you one sum. Okay children. Now subtract the mixed fraction, exercise 6.3, number 3. Number D, 22 minus 10, 1 by 5. Now here again I have the single number 22. So make the denominator 1. In the next step write 22 divided by 1 minus 10, 1 by 5. In the second step you write 22 divided by 1 minus 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 1 is 51 divided by 5. Now again you see both these fractions are unlike fractions. So we will convert it into like fractions. So 51 by 5. Okay. So if I will try to find out the LCM, I will get the LCM as 5 because both are prime numbers. So 22 into 1, 1 into, again 51 into, okay. 1 into 5 is equals to 5. So here also I will multiply by 5. So this will come as 110. This one into 1, this one into 1. So this is your 51 divided by 5. Now, so these unlike fractions have been converted into like fractions. Now here I will subtract it. So now 110 divided by 5 minus 51 divided by 5. So 110 minus 51. So when I will minus these two numbers, children, I will get here 59 by 5. So what will I get here? I will get here 59 by 5. Okay. Now again the numerator is big and the denominator is small. So I will convert it into mixed fraction. So 5 1 times. Again 9 is here. So 5 again 1 times. So I will get the remainder as 4 and this 5 I will write it down here. So what is the answer I am getting here children? 11 4 by 5. Now next we will proceed to exercise 6.4.